Hey y'all, it's Lauren from GastlyGrabs, and today is giveaway day. And we are here at Bonita Springs Toys and Games off of Old 41 in Bonita Springs, Florida. And we have Chilling Reign and Astral Radiance booster boxes to let the kids open up. Remember, they get to keep all their cards. Hopefully they pull some good ones. I want to thank everybody that came out and is having fun to do these booster packs. We are super excited to do this giveaway, and thank you to the owners of Bonita Springs Toys and Games for allowing us to use their parking spot to set up and be able to have this fun time for our community and our kids in our community. It is going to be super exciting, right?
Yeah!
Yeah, all right, and let's go ahead and let's start opening Astral Radiance booster packs. Taking out your packs of Astral Radiance.
Just activated.
How do you open
it?
Do you want me to open it for you?
That really knows.
Give me a second.
Yeah.
Don't think I got anything from this.
Just that black.
There are not trainer galleries, are there?
Astral Radiance does have trainer galleries. Yes, it does.
Nope, nothing.
The only one I think of Sword and Shield that I can recall is Fusion Strike does not, but like Brilliant Stars, Astral Radiance, Crown Zenith now. Of course, they have the gallery, not the...
Can someone help me open a pack? Because I can't get
Did you get anything cool? Oh, you got a leaf on?
Yeah, I like Eevee.
Yeah, that's Leah. She loves Eevee as well. She's got a big giant one. Her favorite character.
My favorite is Bro. He knows it.
It's Mew, right?
Mew.
Yeah. In every game that we play with Pokemon, he picks Mew.
Oh, you broke your thumb. How did you do that?
Nope.
Oops. Well, you got a cool card.
I got a reverse.
I got this.
Can I have a sleeve, please?
Yes.
Liam.
I'm gonna look for an order from
Oh, Leah's open them right now, so we'll get you guys a sleeve. Oh, that's a cool card.
Yeah.
I got two. Finally, I got a
Oh, trash. Why, can you hold the trash and put them in a bag for everyone over there?
There is a text right here.
Yep, there we go. Here we go, guys. Here's some.
Cleaver V.
Oh, you already have a sleeve? Let's put that in this sleeve. When you get a second, so you don't.
I got a cleaver.
Honey, you don't need to hold the bag. Just leave it over on the side. Here's a sleeve. Did you need a sleeve? Oh, look at that one.
Yep.
Here's a. Oh, so you got some sleeves there. Okay.
Yeah.
Sacrifice the blessings.
Can I have your...
That was a perfect one.
Have you got anything?
Oh my god. Oh, he got a Psyduck.
Oh, let me see.
And I got a black
Sorry. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. I have never seen a Moltres looking one like that before. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Let's give her a sleeve.
She got an alternate our trainer gallery.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Trainer gallery. Saline. Duck. Dreflon. Pseudo-Widow. Magnemite.
He might have got
Salts.
Potada.
Ooh, there we go. It's That's pretty cool.
That was a Visa waiver.
I like Astral Radiance. It seems like they have good hits for
Yeah,
sale compared to Fusion and all. Yeah. Fine.
That is a Visa. Oh, I got Psyduck too. And I got a black one.
Yeah, it's for the Psyduck.
That's Psyduck.
Who does not like Psyduck?
Liam,
Oh, trainer gallery.
Liam, I have that one. Liam, just imagine you pull Mew. I'm not sure there's any Mew cards in this set.
I don't know.
I got 2 hits. I did already have that card.
Another one.
Liam, maybe
We love you today.
Got another one? Oh no, she's got the V-Star card.
Like the V.
They trick you.
2 for 2 for me. And I got a Psyduck. Like that. There's no Psyduck.
Oh, the fact that it was just like quack.
Quack, quack.
I think you're the
I'm a quack.
No problem. Thank
What I got?
Liam, give me
You might got something.
Oh, we got a flapple training gallery. I saw it. Yeah, I saw it too. Yeah, it's flapple. I've seen that.
Oh, that's really cool looking.
I got a Galarian Mr.
I
Mime.
like that trainer gallery. That is really cute.
Oh, and a Radiant Heat Train. That's all the ingredients I need.
Awesome.
Okay, this is the rare.
Oh, yeah.
And a broad.
Radiant Heat Train. Not bad.
I'm gonna take the pack that's been sitting on the table for 4 minutes. Thank you.
No problem.
Have you been here for 4 minutes?
Oh, they've been pulling some good ones. Yeah,
I
thank
got one
you.
with the most pulls. I'm pretty sure that my
Some
sister
cool
got.
trainer galleries happening
My
that
sister
I haven't
got the
seen.
best pulls.
She got a really cool Malters trainer gallery. Oh, Mr. Rhyme. That's really neat. And a Radiant.
Yep.
Can you help me?
Oh, that, yeah.
I'll get it.
Yeah, I saw he hurt his thumb.
Yeah.
No.
Here, there's.
I want it. I got
Yeah.
You want one?
They made these harder to open, didn't they?
They do. Yeah, some of them is.
Ooh,
I always
Radiant
say-
Greninja.
Oh, wow, another Radiant. Look at
And
you.
a Hollow Gallade.
Yeah, I feel like the ones that are hard to open, those sometimes are the best.
Oh, nice.
Well, let's find out.
Yeah, that one was hard.
I'm stacking up on these Radiants.
Yeah, it's all back.
Awesome.
black pack. I do this one. Nice. Receive.
You got 2 Radiant pools already. She's got an awesome Ultra gallery.
Hey,
What else?
I tried to do this.
Yeah. She got more of the Sun and Moon Deck 10s.
Oh, nice.
I know
Except it's like
that.
that.
Hard to do this. I got this. I got to do. Oh, nice.
Ooh, Maddie, I got Galarian Zapdos.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
I think I've seen that one. Yet.
So yeah, you can tell this one's a trainer gallery because it was empty on the first slot.
Did you want one of the sleeves? Oh, do you have one?
Yeah, there's like sleeves all over the place.
That's really cool. I got Galarian
My favorite one is the golden one.
wow.
My favorite one.
Mom, look at all the good cards I got already. Yeah. He's got 2 trainer galleries.
Oh, I don't have a trainer.
I want to get
Yeah, this one is
Oh,
pretty.
Student Typhlosion.
Oh, that one's.
I know.
the patches, the face, the all kind of because.
Yeah, let me see yours just so I can fan them out for a second.
I call this one after I'm done. Hope it's I want to ride. Where's Taxi? Ooh, I got Tato.
I got the last one.
Tato got on here.
Alright, I think that was pretty cool. I got the last one.
Oh.
Oh, hold on a bunch corner. Nice. Got it. We need a bunch corner.
There's yours.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Liam.
For sure.
This is yours.
I got
Yeah, this is my rare.
why, but Dad? Sound like that perfect. 1, 2.
Alright. I
got 3 returns.
I got 1, 2,
Nice.
5.
Nice. We need a holographic.
That's cool holographic, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice holographic.
Got a lot of
Wow, nice. No Rico, but you do that nice face.
Oh, look at that trainer gallery, buddy.
Yeah, I
Good
see it
job.
right here.
Oh, nice trainer gallery.
Let me see.
Maddie, isn't it?
I really hope there's no good card in the slot.
Wait, do you want me to check?
Yeah, just
There you go.
Maddie, isn't it so cool how you got the Moltres and I got the Zapdos?
yeah. Where is it?
Liam, look at that nice card.
I don't know.
I don't think it's in this pile.
I want one of those.
Wait, Wait.
So that is the one you got. Was just the Moltres.
This is.
And then yours.
This is mine.
Oh, okay. And then those are yours. Awesome.
This is so cool.
Do mommy.
What baby?
We need this one.
Okay.
Yeah, I never saw that.
Oh, yeah, 60, 80.
Yeah.
How much do you think this is worth?
Wow, there's so many they put over
Alright,
it.
Alright, Chilling Rain now. Booster pack.
Okay, black border. Okay, that's good.
Can you?
Yes, give me a sec.
What is that one night?
Okay.
Ghastly. We all love Ghastly. Alright.
There you go.
Anything good over here yet?
Oh, right. I got a hollow.
Oh, you got a hollow? Psych energy. Alright.
Ooh, that's this one, Mommy.
Oh, Farfetch'd.
Yeah.
Oh, I did the portrait wrong again.
Oh, got this.
And Chilling Rain should still have Trainer Gallery?
No.
No.
They do. I thought they did have one VMAX.
Fusion doesn't.
Fusion doesn't. It's the only one I can think of that doesn't have it.
I'm pretty sure Rebel Clash doesn't have
Oh,
it.
Rebel Clash might? Yeah. I haven't opened up a lot of Rebel Clashes to find out.
I can reset.
And I got another.
Oh. No, he's got a hurt thumb.
Oh.
He hurt his thumb. He's got a
That was
brace
a bad
on
day
it.
for that.
Yeah, it doesn't help the cards.
Yeah, you definitely need your thumb for that.
So much green code cards. Yay!
Different box, huh?
Yes, this
Yeah,
is.
this is a
Okay, I got a Rapid Strike
the
Urshifu.
black one.
And
I got VMAX.
Oh, that is cool.
you have that as the black and gold card.
Here, let's get you a sleeve.
Wow, the
I have this as
Vita.
a black and gold card.
I'm pretty sure
Oh, really?
yeah, I have the Ice Rider Cataracts black and gold.
I did the portrait
nice.
wrong again. And I got a hollow.
Oh, good. I got
doubled up.
He hit it a stick.
I doubled up. What's my reverse?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know. That's the Moltres that you pulled in the last box.
I got two of them.
I
Oh,
thought that
wow.
was pretty. I've never seen a Moltres look like that.
That's because that's Valerian. Thank you. Finally.
I got another one.
Oh, I got a gold.
Oh, yeah, hold it up. Awesome.
Don't you need that?
No, I never saw that Vita.
No, I'm collecting Brilliant Stars.
Oh,
Not Silver Tempest. Not Silver Tempest.
That. Ooh, I got this one. I love it how you got the horse. The back shot.
I almost did the patch.
I had like
wrong
a
again.
5 in a row streak of just these code cards.
Oh, that reverse hollow hump? Or?
Oh, sorry. I just
The ball code I
Bolts, Centipede, Lycanroc, and
Valerian Zapdos V.
Zapdos.
Fight it.
Everybody show.
Fight it.
Awesome.
Fight it.
Awesome.
Fighting is the good energy card. Usually, yeah.
Trader. Curvature. Show push.
Oh, wow, V-Star.
Oh, Articuno. Oh, that's pretty, honey.
You're good.
I
That one didn't want to go.
That is Eva.
Wanted to pardon.
Wow, look at that. It's my fighting card.
Oh, I had a feeling. That would be, oh, that's beautiful.
That is pretty.
That is very pretty.
I put it backward.
Had a feeling.
Oh, wow, it's
I have like
Celebi.
I put it backward. Oh, accident. There you go.
Keep the camera down while I'm walking.
I put it backward.
By the way, that's what that is. Noah was the one who messaged you guys.
Oh, no.
From
Donna Snow.
Yeah.
I got the same fate.
Oh, another Moltres. That's awesome.
What are the
Yeah, what is
Wait, we
that?
pulled the whole trio. And
Yeah.
He pulled
A lot of
Galarian.
Ghastlies in this one.
Good.
Galarian
Eat 'em.
Articuno, Galarian Zapdos. apples and
What's it?
no.
Mommy, what's it?
No. Our neighbor was
Wax
just showing me today that there's a couple of different.
Golurk and nothing.
Oh, a rainbow!
Oh, rainbow. Yep, let's go ahead and do this.
Let's check.
First rainbow.
Wow, it's a
You ever got? They're hard to get, really.
Yeah.
I remember last time I got the rainbow red green in VMAX.
Yeah.
Yeah, I only
one.
pulled
What I
things.
say?
I open cards like this all the time.
got
It's only been a couple. Hey,
Oh! The VMAX, I got a wedding garment.
When you look at
Alright,
TV, it'll say.
why don't you put it up? Oh, yeah, look at that.
Oh my! Look!
Yeah.
I got a put of it.
Again, they don't.
I got another one.
Oh wait, no.
I love this one. It's I do that.
Well, you got more cards.
I got another one.
Yes.
Another one. I'm the first so far.
You got something, Leah.
Oh, I got a VMAX.
VMAX.
Does anyone have?
Again,
I see code card. I take it.
That's beautiful. Yeah, go ahead. I forgot to
My
bring
code
mine.
card.
I have a lot of code cards. I mean, a lot of these openings. I don't use them.
I traded
Too bad I'm taking everyone's code cards.
I got awesome.
oh, VMAX Saturday.
Thank you.
Sweet.
Mine now.
Brilliant Stars ETB box now.
I need the Hans
Oh, awesome. That is
Oh
oh my gosh, you even got a trainer gallery. Oh, there we go, focused. That's oh, and holographic?
Yep.
Wow.
Can someone help me?
Yes.
I'll trade you.
Leo, I got this one.
I had that artillery.
I do too.
You want to
You'll wait till you come, okay, sweetie? You always open packs. Yeah, pick out the cards of Brilliant Stars that you need. If you need them all, go ahead and keep them all. Don't feel like you guys have to.
Brilliant Stars doesn't have any trainer gallery.
They do.
Oh yeah, they
They
do.
do.
Yeah, they do. Okay.
Yep, she just got one.
pretty sure this is known to be one of the
Oh, they haven't yet, but she was saying that they might because we bought so much.
Let's just check.
Like I said, I can keep them in business. But
That's it.
we have somewhere to do it.
All
too.
right.
The other, the park was crazy because we get all the little kids.
I've
That's why we
opened
bought
none of my
food,
packs. This is
because
my
little
first
kids
one.
were like, as far as
Dene, Nose
they
Pass,
play on the jungle
Chub
gym
Chew,
or whatever, and then the brother and the sister is like,
You might have something.
so it was like kind of a compliment.
Got one more pack?
Last pack.
All right.
Last pack magic.
Yeah.
Okay, so what did we get out of that Brilliant Stars? We got a B card, a trainer gallery, another trainer gallery,
And a ton of code cards.
and a ton of code cards.
It'll be bad.
Yeah.
sleeves, and we got a brick
Here,
of energy.
let's help him open.
Kid,
I got it.
He needs his
We have
thumbs.
about 31 subscribers
Yeah.
and 1,200 views. So it's nothing too crazy.
Hold on.
Maybe you can get a few more subscribers
Here,
here.
oh, here he goes.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Leah, can you put these all in the bag?
I see codes. I love codes.
Don't you need her or no?
So this at least curves it, and then she finds something. And then versus it goes in the room. Yeah. With another
You already have her
thing.
with
Another thing.
Crimson Galar,
Yeah.
Weavile,
Kind of,
Shinx, Farfetch'd, Execute, Rhymer, Fairy, Gotham, and I still got code cards.
That just saves
More code cards. Do you have any code cards?
I think, yeah, she was pulling them out for you. So I think you got all the code cards for most part, unless some are floating around.
Yeah. I got a
No, actually, I need another one. No, you don't. You already have
Thanks
one.
for